told you was in the works, and it finally happened this week. Auto component major Minda Corp acquired about 15.7% stake in its rival Corp-Pricol. Remember, CNBC-TV18 had reported earlier in the week that Minda was on the prowl for a stake in Corp-Pricol through a reverse book building exercise, and that happened. Nimesh, you were the one to tell us, but so much to and fro. We thought it would be a takeover battle. Finally, it's just a financial stake. But tell us a lot more about what you found out.
Well, Sona, it's too early to say it's final. This is just the first step, according to me. So, in the first step, Minda has acquired 15.7% in rival Corp-Pricol. They've paid 400 crore rupees. So, I guess even the Minda investors are going to ask the management on what is the rationale behind it, spending 400 crores for a minority 15% stake in a rival company. So, that's something we need to see further. In fact, Minda has gone on record saying that this is just a financial investment and they should be treated as normal investors, what the other shareholders are. But I guess there is a road ahead for this deal, so to speak. And that's what we'll have to track very closely. I was looking at the shareholding pattern of both these companies, Corp-Pricol and Minda Corp. In Corp-Pricol, the promoter holding is very low at just 36%. So that's going to be a big risk for the Corp-Pricol promoters. The mutual fund holding is 4%. FI owns close to 12%, and there is a private equity investor who owns 5.7%, which is PHI Capital. And interestingly, that same fund owns 5% in Minda Corp as well. The disclosure will be important as to who are the large funds who participated in today's reverse book building and given 15% stake to Minda Corp. The next step could be whether they will go and talk to Corp-Pricol promoters and ask to buy them out, and whether there will be an open offer as well. So that's the second step to watch out for. I guess it's going to be this is just a start, is what I understand. Need to see how things pan out. But I guess Sona, you've tracked the sector so well. What are the key synergies that benefits? Because I was looking at the balance sheet of Minda Corp as well. I think they've spent most of the cash that they had in today's 400 crores.
Yes.
But the fact is, for a 2,400 crore market cap, even if to reach to 51%, they need 1,200 crores. Do they have enough cash to fund this and take this over?
In fact, on their books, Minda Corp has just a little over 300 crores, which is hard cash on their books. And as you said, that's not even enough to fund it.
True.
But give and take everything, I guess, from the accruals that came in Q3, etc., they would have made that amount available. But I think it's a strategic fit for them.
Yeah.
Eventually, whatever they plan to do with Corp-Pricol, whether it's a hostile takeover, whether a complete acquisition, Corp-Pricol is a very strong company in, these instrument clusters, which are the various displays and indicators that are used in a car. And Corp-Pricol is the second largest global player in this instrument cluster space. And they also have provide fuel level sensors for 2- and 3-wheelers. So it's a very strong business. In the 9 months period, the earnings have also picked up quite a bit. It's a debt-free company. Not just that, they have a 50% market share in 2-wheelers. They have a 70% market share in commercial vehicles. They also do various things for electric vehicles. They provide connected vehicle solutions, telematics, onboard navigation. And as we know, this is a space that the Minda Group is very aggressive in this whole EV space. Not just Minda Corp, Uno Minda as well. So in that context, it's a strategic fit for them. Now, there are, of course, many positives. Corp-Pricol has free cash flow of about 100 odd crores. So in a sense, this is a strategic fit for
What could
Minda.
be the merged entity look like? I mean, if they combine together, eventually if that happens, what could be the merged entity look like, and what could be the key benefits for someone like a Minda?
So, as I said, Minda is already available. They already provide instrument clusters. Now, Corp-Pricol will be adding, of course, their own geographic as well as domestic reach to Minda Corp. And the combined entity will look much better. It is anyways a cleaner balance sheet.
Sure.
But, I wanted to just toss this question to